Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Oh, what happening?
Today, we are making green chicken curry. First, take a bunch of mint leaves, 10 green chillies, a bunch of coriander leaves, and a handful of cashew nuts. Transfer them to a mixer jar one by one. Add half a cup of curd and salt to taste. Grind everything into a smooth paste. Now take half a kilogram of chicken in a bowl. Add the green paste we prepared. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well and the juice of half a lemon. And let it marinate for 30 minutes. Now turn on the stove and place a karai on it. Add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves, and a small piece of cinnamon. Saute well. Then add 1 green chilli and half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and red chili powder to taste. Don't add too much red chili powder because we've already used green chilies in the marinade. Next, add the marinated chicken and mix well. Add salt to taste. Then add 1 chopped tomato and mix everything together. Pour in half a cup of water, close the lid, and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid and stir the curry well. Continue cooking until the oil separates from the gravy. See, the oil has separated beautifully. Now add some freshly chopped coriander leaves and turn off the stove. If you like, you can add a little green food coloring for a brighter green color. Our green chicken curry is ready to serve. Look how delicious it is. Enjoy it with chapati or steamed rice. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.